Yep, 4-speed. Just like an idiot taking that cowl off. Not only did I take the cowl off, on the cowl there was the vehicle identification number, the VIN number. And that, excuse me, that joker, man, it's just hard to get that thing back. I don't want them taking my car. This is my car. Anyway, in addition to that, taking that off, look what I did to the ground. This is the floor. I put a hole in the floor. Look at that. See that? Man, that's part of the main brace to hold the damn car together. I cut that damn thing. Dummy. Look at that. You see that? Just cut a hole in the center of the damn car. What an idiot. Well, I did it so I could put a 4-speed in, actually a 5-speed. I put 2 5-speeds in, 2 or 3 in this car. And that engine, that was a 350 high output Pontiac engine, 4-barrel I put on there. It was 2-barrel, I put a 4-barrel on there. That joker tore every transmission I had up. One time I was going to see my brother, Carno, what's up, who was in an accident on his bicycle. And I drove his car there, man. Before I can get up there, man, 4th gear was out. I had to turn around. I came back. Then 3rd gear went out. I came across that damn bridge in 2nd gear. 2nd gear, I had a stray cat with me. I don't know how I picked up the stray cat, but I picked him up and he drove with me all the way back to Memphis, Tennessee. And when he got back, I put him out. After I crossed the bridge, I put him out. And this car has not run since. And now if I can find out what year that was that Carno had that accident, that's the year that I know that, that this car has been sitting still. So I'm trying to get this joker back together. All right, later. Oh, shit. Oops, shit. Yeah, it's working.